Gold isn't just a shiny rock. It's the oldest financial insurance policy in the world. And now it's coming back into play in a massive way. Why? Because the US balance sheet is broken. And guess what the solution might be? Repricing gold, not just to preserve wealth, but to rebalance the books. In 2022 and 2023, central banks bought more gold than in any year since 1950. Countries like China, Russia, Turkey, and India are offloading US treasuries and converting them into gold. It's a silent vote of no confidence in the dollar. They're preparing for a world where gold could be remonetized, possibly through a BRICS currency or even as a backstop for new global trade systems. Gold moves in 8-year cycles. In 2008, it broke out. In 2016, it bottomed again. In 2024, it's already making noise. Every time this cycle turns up, we see major macro shifts: war, inflation, debt ceilings, currency resets. Right now, we're in the early stage of a new bull cycle. The technicals and the fundamentals are aligned, and when gold runs, it doesn't just move, it erupts. We're entering an era of perpetual stimulus. The Fed's balance sheet is already over $8 trillion. Some projections have the next wave of quantitative easing hitting $20 trillion by the end of the decade. That amount of liquidity has to be absorbed somewhere, and gold is the ultimate sponge. Policy elites are already exploring gold-backed digital currencies. This isn't fantasy. It's being tested in countries like Russia and China and even discussed in European policy circles. Repricing gold to $42,000 per ounce isn't just a meme. It's a math problem. If gold were to back even a fraction of global debt or trade settlements, it would need to be valued multiples above today's price. Here's where it gets wild. If gold gets repriced to 40 grand or even $50,000 an ounce, you're looking at a 10x move from today. That's not hopium, that's basic math if central banks decide to re-anchor global finance using gold. So ask yourself this: if you held just 2 kilos of gold, about 64 ounces, and gold hits 50 grand, that's $3.2 million in your hands. Put in 10,000 today, that turns into 100K. Go in with 100K, that's a clean 1 million. No yield farm, no leverage, no DeFi risk, just physical wealth hidden in plain sight. When trust in the system breaks, people turn to what's real. Bitcoin has a role, but gold has the legacy, the infrastructure, the trust of nations. As this next financial reset unfolds, gold will be center stage, whether retail investors catch on or not. If you're watching this, you're ahead of the herd. Start learning, start preparing. Because when gold moves, the system's being rewritten. And this time, it won't be subtle.